Hey, Brushy Squad! Today, we're going on a train adventure through the Tooth Cavern. Here comes the Tooth Train now. It's time to get all aboard. Woohoo! We're heading in to the Tooth Cavern. Toot toot! Ugh, this mouth is looking really yucky, but our friends in there need a good cleaning, so let's head on in together. Woohoo! Toot toot! See you inside. We're in the Tooth Cavern. We made it. Ooh, slimy in here. Oh no! The tracks are blocked by Front Tooth Freddy. Hey, what happened, buddy?
Covered in so much chocolate. Can you help me?
No problem, Brushy Squad. Grab your imaginary toothbrushes and let's get moving with big brushing circles. Are you ready to help?
Yes!
Let's get brushing. We gotta scrub off all the chocolate goo. I need your help. Brush off all the chocolate goo. We can't miss any spots, so I need your help. Where else do I need to brush? Okay, let's brush over there now. Good job. We're almost there. We gotta make sure we brush for a full 2 minutes, morning and night, so our teeth are looking clean. And just like that, this tooth is nice and clean.
Thanks, Dr. Brushy. That feels so much better.
You're welcome, Freddy. Well, it's time to head to the next station. Are you ready?
Yes.
It's time to say, all aboard! Toot toot! Oh no! Do you see that?
Ouch! I'm so cold, I bit on an ice cube!
An ice cube? Oof! Oh no! Canine Carl! Cold food made your enamel ache. But don't worry, we'll fix it together. Everybody, it's time to blow some warm air. Woo! We fixed it! Nice job! Now, let's use some gentle circles to polish that enamel. Toothbrushes ready? Let's brush. Brush, 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 brush. All around, up and down. We're almost there. All the plaque is almost gone. Nice! That tooth is looking shiny and approved. Time to move on to our next location. Woohoo! It's all aboard the Toot Tooth Train. Keep on chugging. It's pretty interesting in here. Do you see anything that sticks out? Where? Yeah! We got some broccoli stuck in the teeth up there. Let's use the giant water flosser and blast away the plaque. I need your help aiming the water flosser. Tell me where to stop so I can blast the plaque away. Now?
No!
Hit it! Okay!
Yes!
Whoa! Look at all that water blast the plaque away! Nice job! We cleaned everything between the teeth. Let's keep on chugging along. Ooh. Ugh. Do you smell that? It's starting to stink down here. Hey, it's Tina the Tongue.
Ew, I'm so stinky. Nobody ever brushes me. Can you help, Dr. Brushy?
Well, Brushy Squad, we can't leave Tina the Tongue all stinky. Everybody grab your imaginary toothbrush and let's get scrubbing. It's time to sweep that tongue. We need to make sure the tongue is nice and pink. So it's time to sweep, sweep, sweep the bristles across the tongue. Good job, we're almost there. Keep on sweeping. Ooh, good job. That tongue is looking nice and fresh. Ooh, smells better. I got my giant toothbrush. It's time to brush this tongue. Oh yeah. Woo-wee. It's stinky down here, but we're almost there. Now that this tongue is nice and clean, let's head over to our next location. Ooh. Smells much better down here. Hey, look, it's Marty the Molar. Ooh, it looks like a bunch of sugar bugs are hiding in his cracks.
I ate so much caramel, now the sugar is attacking me!
Chewy caramels? That's not good if that sticks on your teeth for too long. It's time for the bubble blaster. Everybody, it's time to blow some bubbles. Whoa! Whoa, the bubbles are cleaning his teeth. It's so cool. Now those are some powerful minty brushy bubbles.
Ah, thanks, Dr. Brushy. I feel so fresh.
Nice job, team. The tracks are clear, and it looks like we made it through the Tooth Cavern. Everybody's teeth are clean in here, and this mouth is shining bright. Remember to brush the front and back so your teeth can shine nice and bright. I'm Dr. Brushy. Remember to brush morning and night, and we'll see you in the next tooth adventure. Bye!